going on, guys? Okay, showed up here. It's for the 4:25 kickoff for Jets Eagles here at MetLife Stadium. Obviously at the classic J8 spot. Pretty much waiting for Shane and Mike to show up here. Should be hopefully showing up in about 30-40 minutes. But in the meantime, I'm here with my brother. Got some chicken down in Newark. Gonna tailgate the best way that we know how, and I'll take you guys along for the ride. How's the sandwiches? Yet watching closely as Team Yet's getting killed by Team Fernandez, baby. Do it every week. How bad or how good are the Jets gonna play today? Score predictions. Shane, you asked the question before. What you thinking?
I'm gonna go. We're gonna lose by 7. I'm gonna go 24-17.
24-17. Eddie, what do you think? 27-17 after the guy who looks like he's gonna shovel snow in the back. Yeah, what do you think? You're always the positive one.
Okay, everybody is injured, right? 21-17 Jets.
The Jets. Yeah, we got the classic walk-in. Yet being a negative right now. Wilson's definitely taking a step in the right direction.
I was the only one who put us at winning, so I don't want to hear negative.
But he's changing his tune.
I just think Zach Wilson sucks, and you can't even deny it.
Well, he's getting better. That's all I got to say. We got the guy back there who's about to shovel some snow. Get ready. Get the classic walk-in for the Jets Eagles, baby. Let's go. What's up, everybody? Okay, we're here inside the stadium getting ready for kickoff. Doing some of the pre-game warm-ups. We'll see how he goes. Hopefully Zach Wilson plays pretty well. Obviously the Jets are really banged up at corner, so we'll see how that does against the Eagles passing attack. But yeah, from there I'll see you at halftime. Peace.
Prepare for takeoff. For New York Number 17, wide receiver, Garrett Benson. Running back, number 20. And finally,
Let's go, Zach!
Elliott to kick off, Gibson Deep.
J-E-T-S, Jets, Jets, Jets! J-E-T-S, Jets, Jets, Jets! What's up, guys? Okay, I'm back here with a live reaction here for the Jets-Eagles game for halftime. Jets are losing 14-9. This is the sixth straight week that they, or fifth straight week that they are in a close game. Unfortunately, on the wrong side of it right now, going into halftime. The Jets kicked the field goal as time expired to get the game to 14-9. Pretty much we'll start with the offense. I feel like the offense is doing a little bit better than the stats may say. I do feel like they're moving the ball a little bit, but they do need to find a way to get in the end zone. They've been settling again for way too many field goals. Got to figure out a way to get in the end zone. Pretty much move on to the defense. Defense has been playing lights out. They allowed a couple big plays. They allowed a couple drives, obviously, to allow 2 touchdowns, but they did get an interception. Thank you to Quinnen Williams. As well as they forced a fumble in the 2-minute warning to set up the Jets' final field goal in the first half. So hopefully they figure some things out in the red zone and get some touchdowns. Defense needs to lock up. They do need to watch out for A.J. Brown a little bit. I feel like they've been leaving him a little bit open. So from that, we'll see how it goes, and I'll see you at the end of the game recap. Peace.
You are not permitted to sit or be quiet for the remainder of this series. Enjoy and get loud.
Zach Wilson with an 8.
What's up, guys? All right, here on the walkout after the Jets' improbable win. Huge shout outs to everybody on the defense. 4 interceptions for Jalen Hurts. That is crazy. Again, the Jets always seem to find a way to do something improbable, which is, I guess, a good thing. But man, that was an outcome that was pretty crazy. I'm just in complete loss for words right now. I'm so super excited. I hope all the Jet fans are. And we're on to the bye week, 3-3. Which who would have thought? Who would have thought when Aaron Rodgers went down we would be 3-3 at this point? So I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.